Hey guys! In this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best garage flooring options that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting off at number 5, we have the Garage Mats Oversized Garage Floor Parking Mats by Panda. This budget-friendly option comes in at just $129.99 and offers a simple, practical solution for keeping your garage floor clean and protected. The mat is made of absorbent fabric, non-woven felt that excels at soaking up oil, water, and other liquids, making it a great choice for vehicle maintenance or general garage use. The design features a non-slip PVC backing, which helps the mat stay firmly in place while blocking oil, gasoline, and other fluids from seeping onto the surface below. It's incredibly versatile, suitable not just for cars, but also for motorcycles, golf carts, or even underneath garbage cans and appliances. Cleaning is a breeze. You can vacuum or rinse it with a hose, and it's even easy to cut to fit your garage's unique dimensions. However, the mat is less durable than rigid flooring options and may not provide the same level of protection against heavy loads. Ideal for lightweight use and those on a budget, its performance is solid but limited in terms of durability and aesthetics. If you're looking for a simple, low-cost solution, this one deserves consideration. Next up at number 4 is the Forest Floor Premium Wood Grain Foam Tiles by We Sell Mats. Priced at $134.99, these interlocking foam tiles provide a unique combination of functionality and style with their visually appealing wood grain pattern, making them a favorite for garages and other indoor spaces where aesthetics matter. The tiles are crafted from EVA foam, offering cushioned anti-fatigue support that's perfect for reducing strain on your joints during long hours of garage work or fitness activities like yoga and stretching. They are easy to install, snap them together over any flat surface, and provide a versatile flooring solution for garages, basements, playrooms, or even trade shows. Cleaning is simple with a hand wash, and the tiles are durable enough to handle light to moderate use. On the downside, these foam tiles are less resistant to heavy loads compared to rigid options like modular copolymer tiles. They're better suited for personal fitness or decorative purposes rather than heavy-duty garage use. If you want a stylish flooring solution that's easy on the feet and visually striking, these tiles are an excellent choice. At number 3, we have the Big Floors Garage Deck Coin Pattern Flooring Tiles. These durable copolymer interlocking tiles come in a 48-pack and are priced at $143.55, offering a great balance between affordability and performance for medium to heavy-duty garage use. The coin pattern design provides excellent slip resistance and makes cleanup a breeze, perfect for handling oil, dirt, and other garage messes. With a modular interlocking design powered by Big Floor's patented Power Lock technology, these tiles snap together easily without the need for tools or adhesives. They're highly durable, capable of supporting rolling loads of over 40,000 pounds, and resistant to oil, grease, antifreeze, and common household chemicals. Plus, the alloy finish gives your garage a sleek, professional look. While the durability is impressive, the tiles are slightly heavier than foam options and require careful planning for installation due to their rigidity. They're ideal for DIY enthusiasts looking to upgrade their garage flooring with a high-performance solution that lasts. If you want a tough, reliable, and slip-resistant surface, this product is worth a closer look. Coming in at number 2 is the ProSource Fit Puzzle Exercise Mat. Priced at $131.99, this 144-square-foot interlocking foam tile set is highly versatile, offering a comfortable and durable surface for garages, home gyms, or even children's play areas. Made from high-density EVA foam with a non-toxic, phthalate-free composition, The tiles provide excellent cushioning and support. The interlocking design makes assembly quick and easy, and the tiles can be disassembled for convenient storage. They're water-resistant, noise-reducing, and easy to clean, making them a low-maintenance option for busy households. The matte finish ensures durability, while the non-skid texture adds a layer of safety for fitness activities or general use in the garage. While the foam construction is lightweight and comfortable, it's not ideal for heavy-duty garage applications or heavy rolling loads. If you're looking for a versatile, budget-friendly solution for lighter use cases, this mat set delivers excellent value for its price. Finally, at the top spot, number 1, we have the Big Floors Garage Track Diamond Flooring Tiles. At $159.48, this premium option offers the ultimate combination of durability, performance, and aesthetics for garage flooring. Made from high-impact copolymer, these interlocking tiles can handle rolling loads of up to 40,000 pounds and are designed to withstand the harsh conditions of residential garages. The patented diamond tread pattern provides excellent slip resistance, making it a safe choice for garages, workshops, and basements. Installation is a breeze with the snap-together interlocking design. No tools, adhesives, or extra hands required. The tiles are water-resistant, stain-resistant, and easy to clean, so maintenance is minimal. Plus, the graphite color and modern design give your garage a professional finish. While this product is the most expensive on the list, its durability and high-end features make it the best choice for anyone seeking a long-term flooring solution that can handle heavy-duty use. If you're serious about upgrading your garage flooring, the Garage Track Diamond Tiles are well worth the investment. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.